Hi guys, so these are my favorite cookies. I buy them from Marks and Spencer's, but they're never dry, but sometimes it just turns out dry. See how moist this one is, and then look at this other one. It is dry and just crunchy, and I hate that. So today I'm going to show you how to fix your cookie. Let's say you baked a cookie that got dry. Everybody makes mistakes. The difference between these two cookies, the moist one and the dry one, is can be 30 seconds or sometimes as small as maybe 15 seconds. Like, cookies can dry out pretty fast in the oven. So today, if you baked cookies and they are too hard or they are a little too overcooked, today I'm going to show you how to soften that cookie overnight. So the first thing you want to do is take your cookies and then decide which ones you want to soften and which ones are okay. So once you have separated that, the next thing you want to do, yes, okay, so you want to take an empty bowl that is dry and there's no water inside and has a lid that you can like close tightly. So you want to take that bowl and separate your dry cookies. Yes, put them separately, and then we want 2 slices of bread, or you can use 4 depending on how many cookies you have. If you have a lot of cookies, you can use a lot more. So the reason why we need slices of bread is because the bread is going to, like, the cookie is going to absorb the moisture of the bread overnight. But today I don't exactly have sliced bread at home. If you're Nigerian, I have agege bread. So I'm going to take that bread and I'm going to slice it. Sorry you guys can see my hair. I was trying to take the bowl. And any kind of bread works. You don't have to, maybe it doesn't have to be this kind of bread, and it doesn't have to be sliced bread. It can be bread that you've had at home for days. Sorry, not years. I've had this bread at home for almost like a week, if not more. So we're just going to be slicing some parts for like both the top and the bottom. And I'm not going to be slicing a lot because I have just about 3 cookies that were dry. It comes in a pack of 5, yeah, and they are freshly baked, so you have to they bake them every day. So I already had the first one. I was thinking, okay, maybe the mistake was that this first one was dry and then the second one was dry, and then I examined the entire pack and I realized they were dry. So I have only 3 cookies to moisten. So if you have a lot more cookies to moisten, just buy a loaf of bread and maybe take a big container and line it with slices of bread and then put your cookies inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a container and make sure it is dry and there is no water inside at all. Otherwise your bread will get soaked, and that's not the point. You don't want to soak the bread. So we're going to take our cookies and we are going to arrange them in the bowl one at a time. I had to break mine into parts so it can fit in the bowl because this is the only bowl I have at home. So we're going to take it and then take the second slice of bread and cover it and then close the lid, and that's all you have to do, and leave it for 24 hours. And by tomorrow your cookies will be soft. I'm not even joking, it's like a miracle, I promise. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.